Welcome guys. Welcome to BNS Smart Solutions. So I am Mahesh here. I started BNS Smart Solutions. Uh, from past two classes, I've been completed doing the uh, max subject and number system chapter questions, and now today I want to uh, go on with the another topic in the number system. Nothing but the different way of doing the sums. Very easy questions, not very hard questions. So before going to the topic, I would like to introduce myself, a small introduction. So I started behind the smart solutions, and I have been teaching for past 5 years in the subjects of maths, biology, and physics, chemistry, history, and civics and economics. So for the students from the 5th to 10th classes and competitive exam students also, I would like to teach in this platform, so my knowledge could spread and this from this platform, and who are seeking the knowledge about the maths in every aspect can benefit from this classes. So now going to the topic. So in this we have nearly 12 questions we can complete very easily, which are very easy also. Now in the first question, if we see here, we have round each of the following numbers into the nearest 10. Means what? Which number we should make this number as the nearest 10? Means we all know this is ones digit, right? And in every number this is ones digit. This is not the option. We should convert these numbers into the nearest 10 digit number. Okay, so if we see here carefully, in this all these options, which number is very near to its 10? Means what? Here the nearest 10 is 60. For 54 it is 60. Now here it is 330. Means what? It has plus, when it should do plus 6, then only it comes to 60. Here he should do plus 3, and here what it is to 800. Here plus 7 we should do. Okay, next here 8050. Okay, this is not 50. Okay, and this is plus 1. Okay, and this is 12,350, right? What we did do for to become nearest 10? Means when the tens place should become its nearest 10th, and the ones place should become 0, right? Now in all these options, which has the nearest value to become 10? Means 8049 is the nearest value to become its nearest 10. So this is the this is not the choose the correct answers. It is the, we should do every question, then we have to find out the which is very nearest 10. We should do every question in these things, and we should identify this nearest 10. Then it becomes 8050, and the option is fourth. Now going on to the second question. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means what? Which number we should make it to the nearest 100? Means here it is ones digit, tens digit, and hundreds digit, right? We have to make it to the nearest 100. Means this digit, third digit of the every number we should make it to the nearest 100, which means I am converting 9,925 to 1000. Why? Means here they are asking to the nearest 100. Means we should convert the 100 value, nearest 100 value, by adding some values with the ones and tens digit number. So for ones digit and tens digit number, when we add 275, we will get the 1000. Likewise, similarly, for this value we should add how much? 6900. How much became plus 46? So 41,300. So how much it becomes? 37 plus 37, right? Now 27,900 here, right? So how much needed for to become 27,861 to become 27,900? Which means 39 needed for 27,900. Now moving on, 5,600 becomes here how much needed? 51 needed. So in all these options, which is the nearest least value here? 37 is the least value, which means third option, 41,263 is the nearest 100 value in these following numbers. Okay, now in the first question, what is the value? 8,049 number is the nearest 10 to the value. So which is very easy questions, but we have to identify each and every number, then only we will get the number. Now moving on, round each of the following numbers to the nearest thousand. Same thing, but we need to do the what? So we need to do the third digit, means thousand value should be added. Thousand value should be added. Here I am making arrows here to see it very easily. Now how much it becomes 8,000, right? This is 8,000. Thousand becomes how much needed for it? Means here you need 4 and 1 needed, right? So and again you needed how much? 614, right? Now similarly, if you it will become 35,000, obviously, but how much it takes to become 35,000 is here we can write 4 and he can write 2 here, and then we can write how much 4 it becomes, and 200 means 724 we can write. Yes or no? Yes. And 4 10 and 10 again, and okay, and right, correct answer. Now moving on, 24,000 here. Now 24,000 means how much? Here 6 we can write, and uh, 1 we can write. Yes or no? 6 we can write. 804 means not let's say 800, 196, right? Right, yes. So plus 196 to get to 24,000. Now moving on, 77,000, only 77,000. How much needed to become 76,542? Means let's say 500 minus 460. Okay, now in these four values, which is the least value to get nearest thousand? Means 196. Means if this number gets added to 196, this becomes 24,000, and this would be the answer. So 23,804 is the answer. Now moving on to the next question. Find the approximate sum to the nearest 10. Approximate sum means what? We should do addition for this. Then they didn't give anything. So 109 this one, and this becomes here 612, and here would be this is the, and this becomes 12. 8 plus 3 11, and 5 plus 2 7 8, and 2 plus 6 8, 8,812 here. And here what we can do, we should add simply 7, and 8 plus 4 12 here, and 7 plus 3 10 again, 11 here, and then and again 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 here. Okay, now the same procedure which we done in the nearest 10 in the which we done in the session, but they have given indirectly. First we have to do the sum, and then we need to find out. I can say the answer is first one. Why? Because if we add plus 1, it will become 110. It will become 620 here by plus 8, and it will become again plus 8 by 8 8 20, and here again also plus 3, so 7130. So in which all of these, one this value is this first option is the answer for nearest 10. 72 plus 37 is the answer. Now in the similarly likewise, the same thing we can do here also. If we do this here 7 plus 6 how much? 13. Okay, and 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, so 12 here. Okay, uh, and 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 here, and again 11 here, and 9 plus 1 10 here, and 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 here. Okay, and then moving on, 1 here, and 4 plus 2 6 here, and 2 plus 4 6 again, 5 plus 3 8 again. Okay, next 3 here, and sorry 5 here, and 7 plus 8 is 15, 15, which means 1 here. 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 here, and 1 here. 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16 here. Okay, now 16,055. What he is asking, find the approximate sum to the nearest 100, which means we need to check here. We need to check by this. So if you, how much it becomes 8 900 means how much it takes to become 900 here, plus 20 means 77. Okay, next here in the similar way, 1000 it becomes plus 1000 means here how much? 99 here, plus 8,700 means how much? Sorry, 8,700 means how much? Already becomes 30 40 39. Okay, next here plus how much? 16,100, then only you will get means 45. Okay, now here what is the answer? which is the very least here, 39 means this is the answer. So 5000, this 240 plus 321. Now moving on here, similarly this is not 99. Okay, now here we got the answers, 80,003 and 60,279, and here 9,261. Okay, now nearest thousand means what? This 80,003 should become 81,000. What it should become? It should become 81,000. How much needed to become 81,000 means 997 needed. Similarly here also it should become 61,000, right? Why? Because we are discussing about nearest thousand means we have to convert every number to the thousand nearest. Okay, that's why how much needed here. If you are need 800 means we can get 61,000, but 79 is there, right? So you reduce 70 means 30 needed. 30 also we don't need. So 729, not 29, uh, 21 needed, then only it becomes 61,000. Now here how much needed? How much needed to become 10,000, right? 10,000 how much needed means plus here obviously 800 needed, 800 minus 6, 740 needed, 739 needed. So in these three values, which is the least means 721 means this is the answer. 37,804 plus 22,475 is the answer for the nearest thousand of these values. Moving on to the next question. Now he is asking the difference. This difference in the nearest 10 means what? We should minus 64 minus 29. So like I think this would be the very fast too. So 14 minus 9, how much? 5. This becomes 5. 5 minus 2, 3 here, and again 16 minus 9, 7. Okay, and here it becomes 7 means 17. 17 minus 4 is 13. Okay, now moving on to here, 19 minus 6 means, okay, sorry, 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2, 2 here. Nearest 10 means this value should convert to the nearest 10 means here if we add plus 5, it will become 40, and plus add plus 3 here, it will become 140. Add plus 7 here, it becomes 230 here. Now moving on to this. So which is the least value to become nearest 10 means plus 3. So this is the answer for nearest 10 in the following. Similarly, 4 here. Similarly, nearest 100 means we should convert the second digit value to the 100. Now this becomes 9 minus 5, 4 here, 6 minus 3, 3 here, 7 minus 4, 3 again here. Next here, 9 minus 5, 4 here, and 5 minus 15, 15 minus 7 is 8 here, and becomes 7, 7 minus 6 is 1 here, and 9 minus 7 is 2 here, 5 minus 1 is 4 here, 3 minus 3 is 0 here, 8 minus 4, 4 here. Now convert all the second digit value to the nearest 100 means 340 plus 6, okay. Next 184. ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు. Now here means nearest 100 means how much? 340. Okay, nearest 100 means 400, right? Not this value. Nearest 100 means 400. It takes 66 to get to 400. Here also 200 it needed. How much you needed? 16 needed. And here also 4100 needed. How much needed? 4100 needed means how much you to get 60, no, 58 needed to get to 4100. Now which is the least value here? This, and this is the answer. Okay, moving on to the next questions, which is very easy questions. So 13 here, and it will get here how much? 8 you will get here, and again 18 minus 7 means 17, you will get 17 minus 9. How much? 8 you will get. 7 minus 6, it will get 6 here. 6 means 60 here, and 5 again. 4 you will get 14. No, yes, 4 5 only. 15 minus 8, how much? Again 7, and 4 you will get obviously 3 here. So 7088 here, and again 0 here, again 10 here. 10 means 3 here, and 9 becomes here, and 9 minus 3 7 here, and again here 18 becomes 18 minus 9 is 9 here, and 2 obviously. So 9730. 4 means 14 here. 14 minus 4 is 6, and 5 means again 4, it becomes 4 means 14. We can write again 14 minus 6 is 8. Here becomes 5 obviously. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here we have completed doing the subtractions, and we should complete it to nearest 1000, means this value should become to nearest 1000, means it should become 8000, right? How much it needed to become 8000 means 822, right? 2 means 10, like this 812 to become 100. Now here's in the similar way, 9000, right? We should become 10,000. Simple. How much needed? 307, 270. Sorry. How much needed? 270. Now 4000 we should write here. How much needed to become 4000 means obviously 800, 720, 714 needed for becomes in these values, which is the very least. This one is the very least. Nearest means least value we should consider. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Estimate the each of the following products by rounding off each other to the nearest 10. Here, this is the very easy part. No, nothing. Everything is very easy, but we have to identify it as the uh, uh, first we need to find the answer, and then we can write this answer, and we can find the rounding after the which nearest 10 here. Simply he asked to find the nearest 10. Uh, what is the answer for 49 multiplied by 72 means 3528? Okay, now completing to this question, and what is the multiplication of 39 multiplied with 62? You will get the answer is 2418. Okay, now here moving on to the next question. 63 multiplied um, multiplied by 57, what is the answer here? Means 3591 here. Next, moving on to the next question. Oh, okay, 1 minute. 35 multiplied 43, what you will get the answer? 1505. Okay, nearest 10 is very simple. Add here how much you will get. Nearest 10 means we have to add plus 2 here, sorry, 3. This is 30. Here we have 2, right? Simply now here how what we will get for 20 here by plus 2, and here we will get 600, right, by plus 9, and here 510 by plus 5. In these which one is the least? Plus 2 and plus 2. See, these both are answers. Okay, don't worry, sometimes it will get like this only. So final two questions. So in from this question we can close the this part 3 of number system. And what is the multiplication of 265 and multiplied by 334? What is the answer? 8888510. Okay, now moving on to this, what is the 457 multiplied by 872? What is the answer? 398 504, 98,504. Now what is the formula? What is the multiplication? What we get after 381 multiplied by 316 means what is the answer? 120396. Okay, now here what is the answer? 455 multiplied by 138. What is the answer? 62,790. What is the he is asking what is what is to find out nearest 100 means we have to add plus 90 here. You will get 88,600. Okay, now here 3,98,000 plus 96. If you add, you will get to 600 here. Now similarly here 4, if you add 4 means what? Yes, 1,20,400 means you will get, if you add plus 4 you will get next 62,800 means how much you buy? 10 only. Okay, 04. So which is the answer? Plus 4. So this is the answer which is very least in this means this one. Now find the approximate quotient. Quotient means what? This is not there. Quotient means nothing but the answer. Approximate means answer. So if you do the division by like this, 27, let's take 2 times 4, 3 times 20, 60, 21, 60 plus 21, 81, 3 times 81 here, and again you will get 5 here, remainder 27, 5 here, and 27, and here 3 27, 3 5 by 27 is the answer. And what would be the answer here? 83 means how many times? Let's take 6 times. 60 plus 6 9. Now let's take 5 times, 3 times. 30 plus 27 57. Let's take 4 times, means 40 plus 40 plus 36 76. 4 times means 76 here. How much you will get? 4 plus 3 7 you will get, right? So answer would be 7 by 19 for here. Okay, this is the approximate answer. 25 means 286 means one time, and 3 6 means 25 ones are again 11 here you will get. So what would be the answer? 11 by 25. Very good answer. So 38 if you take means 86 865. Let's take 2 times. 60 plus 16 76. So 2 times, let's take 2 times. 76, right? I will 76 means 10 months 105. 3 90 90 plus 27 7 and 11 here. One sum, so not possible. Again 2 times. So again we will get 76 only. Here 15 minus 6 9 9 here. 9 minus 7 is 2 here. So 29. 22 by 38 29. Okay, sorry, 29 here, 22 here. Okay, so this is the approximate quotient. Quotient means nothing but the this value. Quotient means nothing but this value. We all do divisions. Okay, simple things. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. So we will do more questions. I will be very fast. These are the very little bit lengthy questions by calculating ways, not by logic. By calculating ways it will be lengthy. I'm not saying one question here. If you see here carefully, I am covering for a room for 11th one. If you see here, this for this question I am covering 4 type of questions here. Okay, so for 12th question like this. Okay. Mm. For 12th one I am covering 4 questions, means I am covering more number of questions to get to you the awareness of every Roman. So for every operations, likewise for nearest 100 I have covered multiplication method for 4 questions. So likewise I have covered everything. So I will be back with a number of videos, and I am telling you, please refer to my channel. So I will upload more and more videos about problems only. So you will able to practice on your own. After that, if you forward the video, you will get the answer. Don't worry. Thank you guys.